Hi guys, it's me again, Jenny. See the beauty of Saudi Arabia.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. So, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe down below and click the bell so you will get notified once if I uploaded a new video. And welcome to Jana's World.
Power Jenny's World.
For today's vlog is we're gonna unbox a contactless thermal scanner that we ordered online on Desert Card. So, let us see guys kung maganda ba itong na-order namin. It takes time bago ma-deliver kasi almost 3 weeks na ngayon. It came from UK and then to Dubai and then to Bahrain and then to Saudi Arabia. So, ganon. Kadaming mga bansa na dinaanan itong scanner na to bago to nakarating. So, let us see guys kung anong hitsura nito at kung maganda ba to. So, maganda yung packaging nung yung Desert Card. Talagang may logo talaga nila yung box. Unlike the other box that we ordered, is just only a plain box. So, and then it's written handle with care. Fragile, thank you yung. And, so, maganda din siya sa loob kasi hindi siya mababasag dahil may mga bubbles. So, actually, yung mga ganitong bubbles is, hindi ko to siya itinatapon dahil malaking pakinabang to. Just in case na magpapabagahe din ako ng something mababasag is, nilalagay ko rin to. So kung mag-order kayo online and kuha kayo ng mga ganitong bubbles or mga gano, huwag nyo itatapon kasi napaka-helpful nito kung sakaling magpapabagahe kayo in the future. So, this is it. Infrared thermometer. So, yan. Ito siya. Ang liit lang ng box niya. Infrared thermometer. And, so, nakalagay dito, product characteristic, product name, infrared thermometer, model YHKY2000, production date, and batch number, power supply DC 3 volts, 2 AAA batteries, product life last up to 5 years. So nag-order kami ng ganito kasi para just in case na sa bahay kasi mas maganda rin yung meron kang ganito talaga. And bago ka lumabas ng bahay, just to make it sure na okay yung temperature or yan, ganun. 2-color backlight, high temperature warning. As always, it's written from China. Alam nyo na. So, kahit na galing pa siya ng UK or in order nyo pa siya sa UK or anywhere in this world, still, it's made in China. So ganito siya. And so, yan. Talagang, yan. Ito yung kanyang warranty card. And may kasama rin siyang manual, of course. And the scanner. And yan. So, may ganun na siya. So, ito yung kanyang yung trigger niya. So, siset mo lang din siya.
Hindi na kailangan sisit yan.
So, hindi siya nagsisiro. Ganun lang. Ganun lang yun. Dapat may ilaw siya. Oo nga, pero let's say, di ba dapat iilaw siya dito? Ah, hindi na. So, just push this trigger and then you can see it. So, yeah. Yan. Yan. And then, directly push to the head. 36.5. Yeah. Okay siya. Maganda siya.
Baso ko mainit. Oh.
So, halika dito dali.
Baso ko.
Alam niyo kung ba't din siya nag-red? Kasi,
Coffee.
tinry niya sa coffee. So, ayan. So, ayan ngayon tinry niya dito sa coffee, sa hot coffee. So, as in super high. So, it means, maganda siya. Accurate. So, pwede to siya. Magandang, ano to. Yan. So, maganda siya. Ang cute. At saka ang cute niya. So, maganda na rin talaga kung meron kang sariling device at home. So, naka-promo to siya guys nung binili namin. Maganda yung kulay niya, maganda yung handle niya, and very light. So, 266 ito siya. I thought it's 240. It's 266. Yep. Yeah. 5 years yung ano niya, yung lifespan ng machine. Siguro, basta wag lang siguro mabagsak-bagsak. Siyempre, pag nabagsak, ibang usapan na yun. So, kung maingat ka naman and wala namang mong ipapahawak sa mga bata or ano, siguro tatagal naman siguro. Nakakatuwa naman Oh, di ba?
Sira ko kaya ito.
35.8. Oh, di ba? So yun guys, that's all for this vlog, and that's all happening today. I just unboxed that thermal scanner that we bought online. So ayaw ko lang sa inyo guys, kung bibili kayo ng sa mga online, so make it sure that you choose a legit online seller. So thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog.